Oh, it's so good, Autumn.
You like avocado, huh? Oh, it's good. Mmm, tasty.
Try again.
Oh, poor thing. She opens her mouth waiting for the taste getting in it.
Is there a way I can do it so she'll eat it?
No, right.
Mmm. See, I ain't dumb. Is it really that bad, Boo Boo?
Mmm, tasty.
Should I mix it with something else, like bananas?
I think it might just make it taste weird.
But it's so
Weirder.
good for their brains, I read online.
Yeah.
Well, maybe you can try it. I don't know. Because I read online that it's...
Chimney!